Hi everyone, in this video, I will teach you how to unpublish a Facebook page. Don't worry, this will be quick and easy, so let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so first, we're gonna open the Facebook application. Once you've opened, make sure that you're logged in to your page that you'd like to unpublish. And you can check that by tapping on the menu icon on the top right part of your screen, right below the messenger icon. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you will see the menu. Make sure that the account logged in is your page. You can check that by checking on the profile tab. You'll see the profile name and the profile picture. As you can see, my account or the page is logged in. And once you've made sure, all you have to do is scroll down, all the way down, and look for the settings and privacy. When you tap it, you will see this screen. And on this screen, all we have to do is to tap on and select the settings. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you will see the screen, and the one we're looking for here is the page settings. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you will be transferred to the settings of your page, and to unpublish, all you have to do is to scroll down and look for the Facebook page information. And the one we're looking for here in this setting is the access and control. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you will see the access and control setting. And as you can see, there is only one setting here, and that is the deactivation and deletion. All you have to do is to tap on it. And when you've tapped on it, you will be transferred to this screen, and you can now select whether you want to deactivate the page or delete the page. If you choose deactivate, that is the temporary option. As for your page will only be disabled and your name and photos will be removed from most things you've shared. But if you want the delete page option, the page will be permanently deleted. When you delete your Facebook account, you won't be able to retrieve the content and the information you've shared on Facebook. And that includes the messages in your messenger. But the one that we're gonna do here to unpublish is to only deactivate the page, so that if I ever change your mind, or if you ever change your mind, you can reactivate it. All you have to do is to select it and then tap on continue. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you will be asked to enter your password. And once you've entered, you will be transferred to this screen. As you can see, Facebook will ask you why you're gonna deactivate the page. You can choose whichever that you want. But for this video, I will just tap on this is temporary and I'll be back. And once you've selected one, all you have to do is tap on continue. If you've chosen you'll be back, the deactivation is temporary. You will be seeing the screen, and on here you will be given options such as do you want to log out or save post in your archive. And when you scroll down for more, you will see the reactivating your account setting. And on here, you can select if you want to automatically reactivate your account for a span of time. You can tap on it and select for how many days you'd like, or you can also tap on don't reactivate automatically. And once you've decided to deactivate, all you have to do is to tap on continue and the page will be unpublished. And there you go. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.